Hello, I am a representative from East Tennessee State University's Center for Academic Achievement. I would like to take a few moments to discuss latitude and longitude. With that being said, I feel this is important because latitude and longitude enables us to locate any spot on the planet. Now, traditionally, we navigate our environment with addresses. In this case, you can see the address for East Tennessee State University located here. However, places located in the middle of the ocean or in a wilderness setting away from any roads don't have addresses. Well, I actually lied. Such places will possess latitude and longitude coordinates. Let's first begin our discussion with addressing latitude. Well, latitude actually tells us the angular distance north or south of the equator. Why was the equator selected as the starting point for latitude measurements? Well, the equator represents the only latitude line that divides the Earth into equal halves. Let's go ahead and determine the latitude of a particular spot on Earth's surface so we can see how this all works. First, we will pass an imaginary axis through the Earth so we can choose a center from which to extend our first line. Let's go ahead and accomplish this task now. I'm following this line right here indicated by 30 degrees up to the Earth's surface, and as you can see, I just gave away the latitude in this case, which happens to be 30 degrees north. Now let's go ahead and move on to longitude. Well, longitude measures the angular distance east or west of the prime meridian. Well, choosing which longitude line to use as a starting point was not quite intuitive because every line of longitude actually divides the Earth into equal halves. Therefore, any of them could have been selected as the starting point. However, the starting point was initially selected at a convention that was held, and it was actually passed through Greenwich, England. In closing, I hope you learned a few things about latitude and longitude. I intended for this video to cover just some of the basics so you could get an idea of what's going on. Perhaps in a future video, I will go into more details. But before I go, I would first like to thank these individuals because some of the images used during this presentation were sourced at their respective websites. Again, thank you.